Welcome back, guys. Hope you're having a great day. Make sure to smash that like button. We're going to be getting into really what's happening in the market right now. We're not seeing too much momentum on the weekend. We know this happens. We know there's a lot of good buying opportunities on the weekends. A lot of people are selling off. Not too many people are buying. A lot more people are shorting other than longing. Okay, so we're gonna go look at exactly where everything's at right now. All right, so let me see if I could do this full screen. Go. All right, so we got Bitcoin right now. It did hit 59, guys, but right now we're just seeing it consolidate back down. The momentum couldn't stay up high enough, guys. It couldn't stay up high enough. We almost hit 60, guys. We almost hit 60 earlier today. That would have been pretty cool, guys. That would have been pretty cool. I do see that being good. Unless we cannot keep momentum going, if we can stay above 58, 57, we're definitely going to see 60 next week. So really make sure to look at Ethereum, guys. Look at Ethereum. Look at this momentum that we're having today. We're going to be hitting 4K Ethereum very soon. And that leads me to believe that we're going to be hitting 60K Bitcoin very soon as well. We will look at the momentum. I will do some more charts throughout the stream. Didn't really have much to talk about, so I'm just going to go over what I'm looking at over the charts. I'm going to start doing more complex charts, guys. We got Shiba Inu up 362%. That's pretty crazy, but yeah. I didn't have much planned, so we're just going to do a lot of charting today, a lot of technical analysis. I'm going to get into more complex technical analysis. I think it's time, guys. I think it's time. FTM's up to 86 cents. We love to see that. We've had this one since around 24 cents, and we've been taking profits on this. It's reaching all-time highs. FTM is a great platform through L2, through Manic, and we're going to see that one continue to rise. Yeah, Ethereum is pumping. It was only a matter of time, guys. It was only a matter of time. So let's get into Ethereum. Actually, let's go through Ethereum first. Let me put on indicators. All right. Whoops. All right. So what we're seeing right here is we're seeing momentum being able to build up right here, guys. We're seeing Ethereum's momentum being able to. Oh gosh. Yeah, we're actually seeing momentum build up with Ethereum right now. We haven't seen Ethereum momentum on the weekends in a long time. I do see this momentum being able to carry off, guys. I really do see Ethereum being able to touch 4K by next week easily. Maybe we'll see it this weekend. Let me use it on this chart. This chart's better. Need to like change my settings and stuff. All right, so here we go. What we're seeing on the 4-hour chart, we're seeing the momentum here. And if you guys look at Ethereum over the past 2 weeks, guys, look at this momentum that we've had. We've only had really bullish momentum through Ethereum, and we're still seeing it right now. I thought it was going to be a little bit bearish. I thought Ethereum was going to slow down, but it's not slowing down anytime soon. We're just seeing higher lows all the time, guys. Look at all these higher lows. Higher low, higher low. There's one lower. Higher low, higher low, higher low. It just keeps on going up. It just keeps on going up, guys. When is it going to stop? I do believe 4K will be a little consolidation point, but I do see it pumping still after 4K, unless we see some more lower lows. We've literally only had 2 lower lows since April 24th. Actually, since whoa, let me go way back here. Yeah, we really haven't seen Ethereum slow down all the way since March 23rd, guys. Since March 23rd. That's pretty crazy to think about. Yeah, so who knows really where we're going to see Ethereum in the next month. I mean, we really could be talking about 5K Ethereum, 6K Ethereum, maybe even 7 to 8K, but we'll have to see. I do see a consolidation point coming off soon. I do see it slowing down a little bit. I do see these altcoins taking a lot of the show away, and yeah, very bullish on Ethereum. So we got to go look at Bitcoin as well. We see, oh yeah, by the way, guys, these dots right here, this shows the bullish momentum, right? We see a little bit of bearish momentum, and these dots are right here. This is normally when I'm buying through this momentum. I'm not just using this indicator, though. Definitely using support and resistance as well throughout this. Yeah, I finally got the indicator, guys. I figured that you guys would really learn some stuff over the past few weeks. It's time to move on to a little bit more complex stuff. I mean, this isn't complex at all, guys. It's just bearish momentum, bullish momentum. How much volume? Let me add volume too. Why don't I have volume on here? All right, so we're seeing the volume decrease in Bitcoin, right? Look how low the volume is, really compared to yesterday. We didn't really see that much volume throughout Bitcoin, but right now what we're seeing is a little downtrend. We're not seeing this momentum really pick up like we are with Ethereum, and we need more momentum for Bitcoin to go to the 60s levels. And we really haven't had momentum over the weekend, guys, right? What was 7 days ago? 7 days ago, right? We saw this momentum die off. We're seeing the same trend, guys. We're seeing the same trend that we did last weekend. And then if you go back to the other weekends, we're kind of seeing the same trend as well. And over the weekends, you guys can notice this. But with Ethereum is different, guys. A lot of retail investors are just FOMOing into Ethereum right now. It's Saturday, so great thing to see. What charts do you use? This is TradingView. Here, we'll look at Trias. Trias is all the way down here. Oh yeah, with Trias right now, we're testing this support level. We're testing the $17 support level. I do see Trias really being able to push through this 17. I mean, look at this volume, guys. Look at this volume. The volume died off a lot, right? And we're still seeing some bullishness. We're still seeing it hold. This means that people are not selling. This means that people are really going to be holding this. And we did see this little dip right here, right? We saw a dip all the way down to 13. Guys, look at it. Touched our support level. Exactly. But yeah, and we have another support level at 17. Look at these support levels, guys. They're not hard to figure out. We put these on it, I believe yesterday, I guess. But yeah, really not hard to gauge where Trias is at. We just need to see the breakout above 17, and we're probably going to see $20 Trias maybe tomorrow, or I do think Monday we'll definitely see it, guys. We'll definitely see it. Trias is just very volatile right now. We need to see the volume continue, and even with this little volume that we're seeing right now, we're still seeing good signs. I'll go through some trades that I'm doing as well. We're gonna look at ADA. Okay, so here's Cardano, and what we're seeing with Cardano, in my opinion, we're seeing the volume die off, guys. We're seeing the volume die off, and last time we had this much volume, guys, was really in April, right? Middle of April. I'm pretty sure you guys remember that push with Cardano. Then we had the little crash. And then we had the one in late April where it was just bouncing off of the crash. And really, the last time we had this types of volume was really back in March and February, January. But we really need to see this volume continue, guys. We need to see another push up with ADA, or else it's not going to be able to hold right here. We did see this little part right here where it was really flat in momentum. Not too much was going on with it. These are always the best times to buy. This is when we were buying some more ADA, right? And we saw this support around 60 to 70, right? 60 cents to 70 cents. We sold the majority of our ADA there. And once we see this upward momentum start to really take off, I do expect ADA to touch $2. But we need to see more momentum, guys. We haven't seen this momentum die off and then pick back up without a little dip, right? So I do see that panning out for ADA the same way. And yeah, I am bullish on them, but we already took our profits. Maybe we're gonna see a little dip, and then we'll see a little consolidation point. And then once this consolidation point is really key, we're gonna see it. We're gonna see it probably take a little jump in price. I'm also bullish on Band, guys. All right, so let's go on the 1 day on Band. What do we see on Band right now? Well, Band has a great use case, guys. I'm not just trading with indicators. I use fundamentals. I use news. Band has some news coming out, right? And we see this momentum that we've had with Band over the past couple months. We're just starting to pick up momentum again, and we've had this consolidation point back in early or late April, and now it's really starting to pick up. Right, we have a little bit of an indicator that's showing that we're probably going to be breaking higher highs, guys. We're probably going to be breaking $23 Band. And I have had a trade on Band all the way since April 26th. We put in a trade here, then we put in another one around April 28th. And I do see this panning out to being able to hit around $20 and $23. And then we're going to move on from Band because I don't really see it going too much higher than that. But we'll have to see. That's just a good trade, guys. You guys have to be really strict with these trades. So next one's going to be Cake. Cake has been absolutely crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy. So what we see with Cake right now is we see a little consolidation period, right? But the consolidation right now has been going on for the past like 3 or 4 days. We've seen a lot of consolidation with with cake for actually the past week. But right now what we're seeing is there's going to be a big run up with cake. All right. Every time we've had a consolidation for this long, we've had huge momentum spikes. I do see cake hitting $45 to $50 on the next run up that we have. And it does look like it's starting to pick up some momentum right now. And I do believe by next week, we'll be in the $50 cake territory at least. And yeah, every time we've had a run up, guys, look at this. We went from 36 to 43. We went from the bottom of this one. We went from 26 to around 34. Yeah, we've just seen these run ups. We've seen these consolidation points, and cake is really looking good right now. Dash as well. I do see Dash being able to go on that next momentum spree. We did get our sell point off, but I'm looking to rebuy Dash, right? Where am I looking to rebuy Dash? When it falls under the support level. Once it goes to around 390 to 380, I'm going to be picking up some more Dash. And we could see a little bit of a dip because we are consolidating, but I do think that Dash is looking very bullish right now. I see this definitely being able to have another run up. We're going to be breaking all-time highs around $500, or at least for the past year. But very good-looking technicals on Dash. Great fundamentals as well. Any chance ETH retraces? Yeah, it's the weekend. Anything can really retrace on the weekend. But when you see this momentum on the weekend, that's really good signs, guys. That's really good signs. So, ETC. No, I'll go over that one in a second. All right, I'll go over that one in a second. ETC. Just let me get through a couple more. DOT really looks like it's about to explode, guys. DOT looks like it's about to explode. We've been looking at DOT for too long. Here, let me actually go full screen on this. We've been looking at DOT for too long, and what we've seen with DOT, a lot of consolidation. We've seen these lower lows, and we're seeing a few lower lows or lower highs right now. But it is picking up a little bit of momentum right now, and I really do see this consolidating a little bit, and then it's going to blast off all the way to around 44 to 45. DOT is past due its run up, guys. It's past due, and it's not gonna be $30 or $34 or $39 for much longer. We really are gonna be capitalizing on this trade. If the market's gonna be bullish, DOT's due for a run up, guys, and that's a fact. So. What else? Let me get into Ethereum. We did Ethereum, guys. FTM, okay. So here's what's going on with FTM, guys. Look how small this momentum is that we're having compared to what we had here. I do see FTM being able to touch at least $1, guys. At least $1. With this momentum on a Saturday, guys, it's absolutely crazy to see this, right? We have sold a lot of FTM, but guys, look at the momentum is just keeps coming, okay? We've had a 10x in network usage through FTM last month. We've had a 5x already this month, and it's only the 8th day in. Why isn't FTM $2? I don't know. Why isn't FTM $1.50? I don't know, guys. But I can tell you right now that this momentum is showing that people are noticing, people are picking up on it, and it's gonna blow up, guys. It's gonna blow up. It's just about time. We did get it around. When did we pick some up? Around 30 to 20, 25. Yeah, that was a great pickup, guys. And this is definitely going to be able to hit probably, I would say, $1.50 by next week. And we'll need to see about that. We'll need to see how the market reacts. But if the market's looking bullish, I do see FTM having gains every single week. Very undervalued. I do see hot or hollow as well. It's been consolidating the past week or so, and we're seeing this retracement start to pick up. This correction that we've had a little bit. We're trying to see it pick up, and I do see a little push out with hollow as well. Very bullish on hollow for next week. What else are we looking at? Oh, INJ. So injection protocol. This one is really due, guys. It's due for a breakout. And I've been really looking at the lower lows, right? Once we see that first higher low, guys. We know there's going to be some momentum with injection, or at least there'll be like an 80% chance of it having momentum after that. But yes, injection protocol. When you guys see that higher low, really or in that lower high, really look for that buy target on injection protocol. Very bullish on them, guys. Very bullish on this one. KSM's in for a breakout as well. We've been trading KSM for a while, guys. I love KSM. How could you not love KSM, guys? How could you not love KSM? When stuff is this good on the weekend, you guys do not get this long, okay? You guys do not get this too long. We do not get momentum on the weekends normally. So having momentum on the weekend a little bit for ETH and BTC, very good thing to see, guys. And once things start to slow down a little bit, they're going to pick back up right on Monday. And we'll need to see tomorrow, but I'm pretty sure things are looking good, guys. Things are looking good. So last time we had this breakout with KSM, I mean, guys, just look at the volume last breakouts, right? Last breakouts we had, we're starting to pick volume, or we're starting to pick back up with the volume. I mean, look at this, guys. We had this entire time where we had this large dip. This was kind of through the market dip a little bit, and of April. And right now we're seeing momentum swing back up for KSM. I do expect it to die down a little bit, consolidate a little bit more, but then we're going to see it blast off into all-time highs, guys. KSM should not be under $1,000. The technicals are too strong, all right? I do some technical analysis, guys. I do know how to do technical analysis. I've been doing this for 5, 6, 7 years. And what I noticed, guys, technical analysis matters. It's all about momentum. It's all about hype. But yet again, you guys got to do your research. You guys got to know what you're investing in, right? So KSM is a great thing to pick up, especially when it consolidates again. I do see that happening. I'm not going to go over that. Link is building up some momentum right now, some consolidations, right? It's consolidating a little bit. It's getting ready for the next leg up right now. We are going to see probably a $55 link. I don't see it really going too much higher than that. We'll need to see when that time comes, but the momentum for Link hasn't been there to push it over the edge. All right, I'll go through ETC, guys. I'll go through ETC. A lot of you guys are asking me about that. All right, so we're seeing a consolidation for ETC right now. It just had a little correction, guys. With the volatility that we've had with ETC, it's just having a little bit of a correction. We're going to see a bullish ETC, especially when Ethereum pumps, guys. So with Ethereum pumping, this is looking good for ETC. I would really not be surprised to see ETC run up 20-30%, especially with how things have happened in the past. Here, let's see what. Let me do this. All right, so here's ETC, guys, on the left. And then let me get Ethereum on the right. All right. So when we're comparing both of these together, let me just. No, I'm not gonna do that. You guys could see the correlation that we're having here, right? We're having run-ups in ETC. What happened to Ethereum? Run-up in Ethereum. Run-ups in ETC. Run-up in Ethereum. When Ethereum came down a little bit, what happened? ETC came down a little bit. It's just a lot more volatility, guys. A lot more volatility when involved with Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic does have use case. Anyone that says Ethereum Classic does not have use case, it's not going to last, you guys are wrong. And you guys have to study more. You guys have to really understand that ETC has enough use case in order for them to be owned by these institutions, in order for me to own them, okay? I'm not going to be owning anything that doesn't have use case with this much of my portfolio, okay? I might own some meme coins. I might leverage trade Doge once in a while, but I'm not going to be holding 20-25% of my portfolio into something that does not have use case. I wouldn't let you guys do that either, all right? I'm trying to help you guys. I'm trying to change lives. I'm not trying to have you guys hold anything that does not have use case with that much of your portfolio. I only show things that have use case on this channel. We're not going to be talking about stuff that does not have use case. I do some hype trades, guys, but that's on me, okay? I'm not going to share those on YouTube. There's no reason to share meme coin trades on YouTube. There's no reason. Meme coin trades are really, really easy to predict, by the way, guys. Not hard. But what you guys have to do, just put in your hours, and you guys can be very successful with these meme coins. But what I'm going to talk about right now is we have this breakout that's going to happen with Luna, right? Look at the consolidation points we've had, right? We haven't had momentum pick up with Luna. Everyone knows Luna's freaking undervalued, right? Everyone knows Luna's freaking undervalued. And I thought we were going to see this. I thought we were going to see this take off back here in May 4th. But I'm now thinking that it's going to be now, guys. It's going to be next week. We're going to see like a $20, $25 Luna. Maybe $18 to $20 would be more exact, more generous, or more conservative. But really what we're looking at with Luna is this consolidation period that we've had, right? We've had a consolidation period, and it's really looking like it's going to pick up on Steam right now. And we're going to see Bitcoin probably, we're probably going to see Bitcoin take off. We're probably going to see Ethereum take off. And all these alts are going to have some massive run-ups as well next week. Even if Bitcoin stays stagnant, all of these alts are still going to be gaining. They're just building up momentum right now. They're waiting to see what the market's doing. And right now, the market is doing good. And you guys are going to see Luna pick up this momentum. And if it does, we're going to see some all-time highs with Luna, guys. We're going to see it. And very bullish on Luna. You guys know they're burning 22% of their token supply basically every 3 months. Just think about that. Think about that, guys. The price is going to go up 22% every 3 months. That's around 88% a year. Nonetheless, they're very undervalued. They're not on too many exchanges. They're UST Terra Luna tokens. They're stable coins. Very good. It burns their supply every time it gets minted. All right. What are we seeing with Manic? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this consolidation, guys. You do not see this less of volatility, or this. We don't see this less volatility. This volatility this low. Sorry about that, guys. I need some more coffee. We don't see low volatility after a massive run up like this, guys. After a massive run up like this, you guys do not see this volatility stay this low, right? We normally see a large drop in price. Matic is so strong. No one's selling them. No one's selling them, right? And everyone's just waiting for this volume to continue, right? How long have we been waiting? We've been waiting around a week, right? Around a week, we've been waiting for Matic to blow up. It's been consolidating this entire time. It's getting ready to take off, guys. I'm telling you this right now. We're not going to see a drop in price. It would have happened already. Now we're seeing this momentum start to swing back in with Matic. And you guys really have to be holding Matic long term as well. And the momentum is going to be coming to Matic. It's very, very undervalued, guys. Very, very undervalued. This is one that's going to be here for 10, 20 years, at least longer. And they're really, really building a solid foundation. And they have too much revenue to be this low, guys. Does not make sense. Sol as well. Sol's building a lot of momentum right now, guys. Sol's building a lot of momentum right now. We are seeing we're seeing Sol kind of come back to real life. Try and build some momentum up. Get ready for this next breakout. And we have been trading Sol for quite a while, or at least I have. And I really do like Solana. They have such a great ecosystem, guys. The fundamentals behind them are too strong. We need to see Sol. We need to see Sol break out. And it's going to happen eventually. We haven't had this long of a consolidation period over the past couple weeks without it having a breakout. Do you see that breakout happening? Do you see that trend continuing? And I do see it pushing through this $47 support level and going beyond. Definitely make sure to take some profits around $48 though if you guys are trading them as well. So what else? What else? BNB. Oh, let's get into BNB. Look at this, guys. Look at this BNB, right? We have never had this long of a consolidation period with BNB. We haven't seen this bearish momentum in BNB this low. What I think is going to happen is I think BNB is going to absolutely take off and hit the roof, guys. I've been looking at BNB for a while. Have a lot of price targets on BNB, and you guys are going to know that. You guys are going to know BNB is going to take off eventually. We're going to see $1,000 BNB. It's undervalued right now. You guys see the CEO, that beautiful man, always tweeting about how undervalued BNB is, and he's right. It's just looking very, very good right now. It's looking good right now, right? So what we're looking at right now, we're looking for BNB to hit around $1,000, and that's really going to be one of my larger positions. I just hold BNB just because I love BNB, guys, and I love their site as well. I use them sometimes. You guys should. It's very easy for beginners to really get into it. Use a VPN if you guys can't access it. Uniswap as well. We had the V3 event come out, right? We had the V3 Uniswap. We saw the sell-off, right? We saw the sell-off. We saw the bearish momentum. And I got a feeling that it's probably going to be bullish. They do have a few more announcements. I would just wait to see a few more lower lows and see this momentum really start to consolidate. I feel like it'll drop down a little bit more, but this is what I'm really, really looking at. I do feel some momentum coming with Uniswap. We are up around 2.5%, but everything's going to start picking up today. This shouldn't have dipped this much. We shouldn't have saw Uniswap go below 40s. That's really weird to see that, especially with the support level that they really hit around there. So TRX as well. Tron is let me go on the 1-day chart. Tron's just picking up momentum in my opinion, guys. Look at this. When I'm looking at Tron right here, look at this momentum that we had here. And look at the momentum that we have here for the bullish side, okay? I do see us hitting I do see us hitting some momentum. I do see us getting able to be around 20 cents Tron by next week. Things are looking good for them. They do have use case, and we do love Tron on this channel, and we have to be able to really cash out on that trade that we had. I believe we got one around 11 or 12 cents. Tron really took a beating over the market dip that we've had. You guys don't care about Uniswap? I mean, dude, it's free money. A lot of these trades are free money. I like free money. I'm kidding. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people care about Uniswap, dude. You can't be making fun of these companies. Shame on you. All right, so I am seeing some momentum with new and XEM, guys. If you don't know what XEM is, actually, I'll talk about that one later. Let me go to waves. Waves had a lot of consolidation from this breakout that we have, or that we saw with them. And right now they're just consolidating right now. Once they start to flip back over into bearish territory, or I mean into bullish territories, I'm going to be putting a trade onto them. I mean, look at this volume, guys. Look at this volume that we've had. Look at this volume that we've had. And we're going to see it flip back over, right? We're going to see it flip back over. And when that happens, they're going to have another run up. They're very undervalued in my opinion. I still see them being able to push off 60, 70%. We did get a nice trade on them around $22, $23. That was nice. Let's see what else I'm looking at. Am I looking at sushi? I don't think I am. I think we cashed out on sushi. I mean, from a 1-day perspective, they do look good. I mean, we're seeing some higher highs, higher lows. They could build up some momentum, and yeah, I mean, I'm not too bullish on sushi short term. I do see maybe a $25 to $20 sushi, but that's in the next week. I mean, that is a pretty good movement, but yeah, it's like 50%. Sorry. Nano. I need to start writing notes on this. I was just going through this a little bit. Yeah, Nano's consolidating. We saw that large run up that they had. They went up, where did they go up from? It was all the way from Nano. The wrong one. All the way to 9 to 12. No. Sorry guys, I'm getting a little confused. Need some more coffee. Make sure to smash that like button, guys. Make sure to smash that like button. I'm just showing you guys all the trades, all the thoughts, all the trades. I have over like 200 things that I look at constantly every day. So you guys are getting a pretty good opinion. I see Anchor building up some momentum, guys. Wait for this to really switch over. I would dollar cost average in this one if you guys are going to throw in a trade. But whenever you guys are trading, by the way, put in a stop loss. What are you trying to accomplish without a stop loss? You're just going to accomplish pain and suffering, okay? You're going to be pain and suffering right now. And what you guys need to do is really wait for Anchor to build up this momentum. We're going to see Anchor take off, guys. We're going to see Anchor take off. This momentum has flipped back over, and Anchor is very undervalued in my opinion. L2 Solutions, guys. A lot of good stuff with Anchor. XVG as well. When Bitcoin's bullish, XVG is bullish. Verge always correlates with Bitcoin, guys. Verge always correlates with Bitcoin. Every time we see Bitcoin go up, we see Verge follow, guys. We always see this happen. And what am I talking about? All right, you guys will see it. So every time we see Bitcoin go up, these graphs are essentially the same, guys. They're essentially the same, right? You guys see that? Boom, and then it goes down. Verge goes down. But it follows Bitcoin, but to a volatile extent, almost like ETC does with ETH. That's what I've noticed with Verge, at least over the past few weeks, guys. Past few weeks. So yes, let me put this back to 1. And yeah, we'll go over Trias a little bit more. Trias is building up some momentum. Like I said, this is the next really hard to break support level that it has, around $17. We did get a flare up almost to 19. And yeah, definitely take your profits on that one. So I'm gonna go over some questions right now. What do you guys want me to go over? I could go over VET. VeChain has this terrible case of the hard support level to break. They just need to break that support level, and they're going to be able to be bullish. They are flipping on the momentum, and it might happen, but we've had this happen so many times, guys. But I just need VeChain to break this 26 level. It wouldn't be a bad idea to put in a trade now, sell around 28 to 30, because I do see this support level being broken probably next week. But it's very hard. It's very hard to say that. I would say it's probably a 60% chance that VeChain is going to break that support level next week. But it's been a very hard, tough time for VeChain to really break out of that support. So we need to see that. We need to see that. Can we get daily calls from you on a PDF? I do a lot of daily calls, guys. I do a lot, and I want to teach you guys so you guys could do them by yourself. I don't want to have any correlation. I just want to show you guys what to look for. Really look what I'm looking at, okay? Try and understand it. I don't, maybe at some point, but for now, I would just rather do these calls, have you guys learn some more, maybe in a month or two, okay? Maybe in a month or two. But we're seeing this, wait, we already went over BNB. What else? Sorry. BTT. Let me see if I have BTT on here. BTT. Nope. I'll add BTT. Oh, I do have BitTorrent. I believe I was looking at BitTorrent earlier today. All right, sorry. Let's go over BitTorrent. BitTorrent's flipping momentum a little bit, but we are seeing a lot of higher lows. We just saw that lower low right there. We're gonna need to see. I can't really read BitTorrent. I'm not the biggest BitTorrent follower, but as of right now, I mean, they probably will be able to break higher this higher high right here, which is around 13 or 1.3 cents. And we'll need to see, but I can't give the best opinion on something that I don't really know the fundamentals on. I know the fundamentals on basically most of everything. I just don't follow BTT like I do like these other couple hundred cryptos. They're not on my list. Everest. Let's go over Everest. Let's see if I have Everest on here. I love Everest, guys. I love Everest. No, I'm not gonna use that. I need to use a different app. Sorry, I do love Everest. Let's go over Everest real quick. Let's see what they're at right now. Yeah, you guys really have to make sure though to pay attention to where Bitcoin and Ethereum is at all times if you're going to be trading. If you see some momentum in Bitcoin, if you see some momentum in Ethereum, it's a really good idea to put in some more trades if you guys are going to be trading. Just going to give you guys some tips on that. Everest is down 6%. I do like them, dude. I really do like them. They'll be huge in the future. They're I believe they partnered with Ocean Protocol very recently. Guys, look at Ethereum. Oh my gosh, guys, look at Ethereum. Look at this pump. Wow, guys, we're nearing 4K, guys. Maybe by the end of the day, a 10% pump with Ethereum. 10% pump with Ethereum, guys. Wow. I'm using TradingView right now. Zilliqa. We'll go over Zilliqa. I have Zil ETH. Let me change it up. I believe I have Zil Teth. All right. Zilliqa seems to be having a little dip in momentum right here. So many indicators on, guys. Sorry about this. All right, I'm not gonna do that. Never mind. I do have Zil down here. I'm not gonna. This is why I'm not gonna do this too much, just because it is a little frustrating sometimes. But we are seeing a little dip in the momentum. Every time we've seen a dip in the momentum with Zilliqa over the past week, we've seen another push up. This is what really altcoin season is all about. That's just on the 4-hour chart. On the 1-day chart, we're seeing a lot of upwards momentum still, but I still see that dying off probably over the next day or two, and then we're going to see another push upwards with Zilliqa eventually. We are going to be able to break this all-time high again. I do see that happening. We just got to be looking at Bitcoin with that. It is up at 3% today. It is looking pretty decent. So, all right. I mean, I'm not. What do you want? HDR and link. Okay, I'll go over HDR and link. Editors orders, guys. Editors orders. Yeah, just type in the comments what you guys want me to go over. My editor will tell you the most people want me to go over. We already have one over link though. That's the thing. We've went over. I don't think we've went over HDR at all. Link's just consolidating right now, getting ready for the next breakout. We saw 2 lower lows. Look at this. We saw lower low, lower high, lower low, right? And look at last time we saw that was all the way back April 25th. What did we see after that happened? We saw a breakout, right? We saw a breakout after that happened. What are we probably going to see? We're probably going to see a breakout, in my opinion. Probably going to see a breakout. So, and it's the volume is really going down on the 4-hour chart, but we'll have to see. It still looks bullish, guys, in my opinion. I do see 55. Okay, I don't see really Link pushing to 60s, 70s. That's a little far-fetched, in my opinion. I don't know if it's there for Link. I mean, we could see a 70. 70 is the max. Okay. But I really want to be getting into these other trades as well, diversifying my portfolio, unless that does not happen. Because you can't put all your eggs in one basket, guys. You can't do that. We'll go over HDR as well. HDR really has a problem, guys. We do have HDR in here. They just have a very hard support around $1.50, and we really need to make sure for HDR to HDR for wait, please comment on pop. All right, well, we just need to really see HDR pop or HTR go above 150, they have KuCoin selling bots that are putting large sell walls in HTR. It's kind of frustrating, but I do see them breaking out eventually. Next 6 months to a year, HTR will be at least 20x where they are right now. Very undervalued smart contract. We'll go over Pop. We'll leave Pop fell down a little bit with their APY event. What are they at? $5.21. We're talking about them around $3, I believe. And yeah, that's not, they're still up from when we were talking about them. Wait to buy them on a dip. Their volume is down. Okay, their volume is really, really low right now. They have $500,000 volume. They are going to take a while for them to really get something put together. But they did have that hype factor when we're talking about them. I'd probably diversify if you guys are still in them. You could hold them long term, stake their APY. But that's always going to be a risk with these small caps. So really make sure to hold these high caps. OMG, my editor just gave me a list. Okay, we're going to go through these, and then we're going to go through some small caps, and then we're going to wrap it up. Okay, so last ones we're going to go over OMG. Okay, let's go over OMG network. My gosh, this isn't working. I do love OMG, guys. Ethereum layer 2, and we really have to be looking with OMG. All right, let me just add the Kraken one. This is going to be all right, here's OMG, guys. Here's OMG. And right now, we're at $11 level. I believe we put in a buy order around $8, so we're up a significant amount on that. We saw this spike up, and we did hit our target with that. We really are looking for OMG to continue this push upwards. We saw this momentum being able to be built up. It is the weekend, so expect maybe some downwards momentum, in my opinion. But I do see it consolidating, and I do see Monday, Ethereum pushing, OMG is going to push. All these layer 2s, guys, all these layer 2s are going to pump. All right, this is a great time to put in some trades on some layer 2s. So what's a layer 2? It's connected to Ethereum. When Ethereum pumps, these are layer 2s pump. We see it correlate. You guys are going to see OMG pump. You guys are going to see Matic pump. You guys are going to see a lot of other layer 2s. I'm trying to look at this list. You guys don't want me to go over layer 2s, I guess. We'll go over Revo. That's not going to be on TradingView, but what's Revo at? IDO. It was like 150x off IDO, up 18%. People are finally buying Revo. What happened? Surprised. This one's going to be big in a long time, all right? A long time from now, this one's going to be big. This one's going to be big. Wait, no, is this... That was different Revo. Yeah, I mean, what's the market cap? Fully diluted market cap. I must be thinking of something else. Sorry about that. Let's go back to the graphs. I'll look into Revo at another point. Another stream maybe. Tonight, we'll look into Revo. I'm just trying to get through what the majority of you guys want me to go through. XRP, a lot of people want me to go over XRP. I do see XRP maybe being a little bearish, guys. I do feel like XRP is a little bit overvalued, but at the same time, we need to look at their momentum. We need to look at their social analytics. I do see XRP going down in social analytics. I do see that happening. We are seeing some momentum upwards, but I don't really... All right, the only reason XRP is going to pump is if Bitcoin and Ethereum go up in price. If we correlate them to really the entire market, they're underperforming the market since April 16th. Okay, they've been underperforming the market since then, right? And really, what you guys got to look for with XRP is what's their support levels. What can they not break right now? Their higher high right now is almost at $2. Almost at $2. I don't see them hitting $2, guys. At least for the next 2 weeks. Only if the whole entire market has a parabolic shift. But I do love the company, and I just do not like the technicals too much. I see a lot more momentum hitting other companies. I don't see this momentum ever happening again with XRP, or at least for a while. I don't see this having this much momentum. Okay. Right now with XRP, we are seeing some consolidation. We're seeing we saw 3 lower lows here and some lower highs. It does look like it's probably going to be entering a little bit of a lower swing momentum, and then we'll probably see another breakout with that. But not extremely bullish on them long term. I only have XLM on here. Oh, this is gross. We have weird charts on this one. I hate not having my TradingView account on my other computer. It's okay. So what I see with XLM is I do love Stellar's use case, right? I love their use case. We are seeing a lower high since April, right? We did see that lower high, but we saw this momentum pushing upwards. And what we're seeing right now is we're seeing a little consolidation period, right? The past day and a half, we saw some consolidation with them. If this consolidation continues till Monday, I do see them being able to take off. I do see them probably being able to go around 80 cents, and this volume really to push through. This volume to really push through, guys. I do like XLM. I do like Stellar. It's just sometimes I like them because I don't really like any crypto. I'm just trying to look at what they do and really trying to gauge where they're going to be in price short term. I don't really have emotions towards any sort of crypto, right? Wow, guys, Quantum. Look at this sell off that we had up here. 35 all the way to around 26. Huge candlestick, all right? Insane volume. I really can't gauge the momentum on this. I feel like the momentum's going to go down. Who knows if it's going to get this volume again? We haven't seen this much volume with Quantum ever, right? Oh no, we saw this all the way in February. But we haven't seen that. This was the second time this has happened this year, this volume with Quantum. If it really wants to run up in price again, we're going to need to see that volume again, right? And we might see a little bit of a bearish trend after this huge volume that we had. This normally ends up happening out or panning out. I am bullish on their use case. I do think they're going to last, but I don't think that their volume is really going to be too significant, right? Their volume is very correlative on their price. If their volume dies off, their price dies off. This is how the majority of these cryptos are. You guys really have to be looking for that. And we do look like we're topping out on the RSI, so just want to throw that out there as well. What else are we looking at? Tron. We just did Tron. I love Tron, guys. I had so much faith in Tron at lots of times, but I've been wrong on Tron a couple times. I believe maybe once on YouTube. I thought they were gonna hit 20 cents, but then we had that market crash. It didn't happen. It's okay. It'll hit 20 cents eventually. We do see the momentum switching a little bit. We see the consolidation period really start to end. Not too much high volume, guys. Look how high this volume was during this push up. Look at from this push right all the way to around 15 cents to 10 cents. Look at this volume. Look how low it is. That shows a lot of strength in Tron. Okay, when the volume's low and it's able to be bullish, when the momentum's low and it's able to be bullish, that's pretty crazy, guys. That's pretty crazy. That shows a lot of faith in Tron. So I do see this being able to easily reach 20 cents, especially when the volume goes up. I mean, look how high we've had volume on Tron. It really wasn't too high. We did have that huge candlestick. Then we had a lot of people selling off. But yet again, look at this volume back in April, beginning of April, guys. Yeah. I do see Tron definitely being able to hit 20 cents. It's just consolidating right now. We saw the dip, saw consolidation. Now we're seeing the leg up. Just needs to break this higher high up here, and then we're good. We did have a little support level, guys. Look how exact this support level is, guys. We got both of these supports on here, so that's good. Support levels, just look for the past higher high and look where it wicked off of, and you guys can really gauge a great perspective on where things are going short term. You'll think you're a genius, but in reality, you're just reading a graph. Okay, it's not extremely hard. I know, you guys will learn eventually. If you guys just watch, if you guys learn, when I end the stream, if you guys go, you guys learn on a Saturday, I'm going to be so happy. I'm going to be so proud of you guys. I love to motivate people. I love to teach some things to you guys. I'm trying to change your lives. I'm trying to show you guys how the market moves now. I've been trying to gain viewers. My editor's been clickbaiting you guys in, been roping you guys in. Now we're going to change your life. No, I have no idea why. I don't know what some of the videos are that I'm going to do. It's just like, you have to do a video that's trending. I'm like, okay. And boom, bang, do that. Get some subs, but you guys are in for the long run. Trust me, you guys are at a good channel right now. I just exposed myself, guys. We do see the 1-day chart of Luna's volume or the momentum kind of dying off, but I do see a lot of faith in Luna, guys. Like I said, UST token. They have the best stable token in the game, okay? I really do believe that. Best stable token in the game. Tether is corrupt, guys. If you guys do not know what Tether does, they print out money. You guys got to look into Tether. People are like, oh no, Tether's okay. Tether's okay. Just wait, guys. Tether's going to get exposed soon. We're going to see a little correction in the market. Probably happen in 3 to 4 months. Probably shouldn't be saying that, but it's okay. You guys go look into Tether. Seriously, look into not Tether 2017, 2018 allegations. Look into what Tether's doing now. They're printing out more money than ever. They've been printing out billions and billions of dollars. Just throwing that out there. Not a lot of people talk about that. Not a lot of people know that. And everyone's just like, bull market, bull market, bull market. Tether's out there printing money right now. They're doing some shady stuff. I think that might have something to do with this bear market that's going to happen in probably 2 to 3 months. I just scared you guys. It's okay. Don't be scared. We'll make it, guys. We'll make it. We're already up a lot. Try us. We got 1 inch next too. So I do see bullishness in Luna, right? We're consolidating right here. I do see a little leg up on the 4-hour chart, but on the 1-day chart, we've had some bullishness a little bit, but we really haven't seen anything too special. All right, where's Trias at? Where's Trias at? I believe I had Trias down there. Trias. Boom, bang, bada bing. Look at this support level, right? We were bouncing off the support level. We have the support level down here. Once it breaks out of the support level, look how high the volume is on the weekend. We know that a lot of retail investors are FOMOing into Trias, or they're taking their profits. You guys are smart. You guys took your profits. I'm telling you, if you guys saw, you guys missed out on like 60% gains, 70% gains because you took profits. Don't worry. You guys take 50, take 60% profits, take 40% profits. You guys can take whatever profits you want, but I'm telling you, in the long run, when you guys have these run-ups in these small coins, you guys need to be taking profits to really make your portfolio a lot safer, right? And it works out in the long run. I've been doing this for years, and I want to let you guys know it sucks, right? It sucks. It feels bad, but at the same time, one of these times you guys are going to do that, and you guys are going to be like, oh, thank you, expert. All right, this was like really the first time we've had an 18x on this channel in the matter of a month, and you guys got to be taking your profits. Don't be mad about that. It's okay. We are in this bull market. I guess I got to talk about Dogecoin too. We got to talk about Dogecoin. Why are we talking about Dogecoin? I don't know. This 1 inch. Oh, the SNL Dogecoin. All right, got it. What do I think's happening? I guess I could do it. I don't know. You guys are just gonna follow my trades on Dogecoin. I do see Dogecoin. I do have a lot of complex trades going on in Dogecoin, like very deep. I've been spending too many hours on Dogecoin, guys. You guys have to understand, Dogecoin's the 4th biggest crypto, 4th to 5th biggest crypto. It's adopted, guys. It's gonna be here. I know you guys hate meme coins. I know you guys hate it, but you guys have to accept it. Dogecoin is here, right? Why wouldn't you be making money off of a coin? Like, I don't care if it's a meme coin, right? I don't care if it's a meme coin. Okay, if there's volatility in it, if there's opportunity in it, and if it's easily predictable like Dogecoin is, why wouldn't I trade it? And I've been trading Dogecoin for like 3 months, guys, 3 to 4 months, and it's just something that I do. And SNL is coming out. I do see a short coming, but I do see Dogecoin being able to reach 75 cents. I believe what is that right now? I don't have it up. Why don't I have it up, guys? Just I'll go through 1 inch in a second. Sorry, guys. I really need to look at this. All right, so we're at 62 cents. Yeah, I do see didn't we hit? What did I say? Did I say 75? I don't know. I don't think it's going to 75. I thought it was gonna bounce off of there. Never mind. I think I said 75. Sorry, guys. Need some more coffee. Yeah, but I do see $1 Dogecoin inevitable, guys. At some point, we're gonna see this momentum continue with Dogecoin like we have over the past 3 months. And what am I talking about? 1 inch, okay? So 1 inch, we're building up some momentum on the 1-day chart. 4-hour chart, we're still building up some momentum as well. Died off a little bit. We're going to see it build back up, I believe, next week. 1 inch is very undervalued. Anytime I tell some people on Coinbase, if I have some friends or something that ask me, I don't have friends, guys. We have digital friends and stuff. And you guys know what I mean. We just sit at computers, have digital friends. At least I do. You guys could have friends. I'm not allowed to because I work too much. But you guys really have to be able to if you have some people on Coinbase, you guys have to look at what's popular on Coinbase. I always advise 1 inch, Matic. What else is on Coinbase? I just normally say 1 inch and Matic. Hold those for a while. I need to look what's on Coinbase and help you guys out some more. I'm sorry about that. I'll write down all the things on Coinbase that I'm bullish on in the next episode. I promise. So we went through that. Don't be scared of the bear market. There is still money to be made in a bear market as well, guys. Yeah, when the bear market happens, we're gonna be shorting. We're going to be transferring our money. We're going to be cutting our losses. We're not going to have this wrecked come into play, right? We're not going to get wrecked. These other people are going to get wrecked, and then we're going to make money during the bear market. You guys might lose 20-30% of your portfolio, but you know what? If you guys get in at the right times, you guys will make at least 60-70%, especially when people are going to be buying these dips. Let's go back to 2017. I'm going to show you guys what the bear market is. So, a lot of people on YouTube have never been through a bear market. They weren't actively trading every day when we had this bear market, right? You want to know who was? I was actively trading every day during this bear market. Oh my gosh, too many indicators on. And you could be doing this for you don't have to be there for this long to really understand how the bear market works. 5 years, jeez. All right. So here we go. We saw lots of dips, right? We saw people buying these dips. Look how large these candlesticks are. Look at the volatility, guys. Look at the volatility, all right? Look at the volatility we see on every single one of these candlesticks. It's absolutely insane. Look how many people were buying the bottoms, right? We buy the bottoms, we get 50% profit, then we sell our entire portfolios. We buy the bottoms, we sell our 50% of our portfolio, or 60, 70% of our portfolio, right? Then we wait for another dip, buy the bottoms or buy close to the bottoms, get our percent, dip out. You want to know what happens? We always stay making gains, okay? That's how you really survive during the bear market. You guys just buy these dips. People are gonna FOMO, okay? And yes, it's a little bit of who gets in first, who sells out last type of ordeal, but we will be using indicators. We will be getting more advanced in technical analysis, and I have a really good idea, guys, when the high probability chance of getting in is at. Just because I've been through 2017, I know what the FOMO effect really can bring. We have seen the FOMO effect in this market as well. Like the real 2017 FOMO effect was crazy, guys. It was crazy. Let me put it on a little bit less, something on 1 day. I mean, every single dip that we've had, guys, every single dip that we've had, look at this buy after dip, right? Look how large these candlesticks are. Look how large these candlesticks are. Look at the pullbacks on these ones, at least. There's good profits to be made on there, just with small trades, right? You guys are just shooting for 20% on these trades, all right? That's the thing with trading, guys. You guys need to understand that. You're just wanting to make 20, 30% and just put that money into something safe. Just keep it into BNB or just keep it into fiat, whatever you guys want to do. I would recommend fiat probably in the next, I'll get into when we're going to be using fiat. Just put your money in ETH. We've been talking about put a large percent of your portfolio in ETH and ETC as well, but we are not going to be doing probably any more ETC. We're going to transfer that into ETH just because ETC is going to take a lot larger dip, especially when we have these dips in the market, and we've seen that. But yeah, if you guys still have ETC, probably going to see that run up. We'll really be looking out for that because ETH had a run up today. But yeah, we're really going to be focusing on buying the bottoms of these dips when they happen. We're not going to be putting our whole portfolio into it, guys. We're not. We're just going to be putting a portion. We're going to have some in fiat just in case it dips a lot more. And that's how you really be profitable. You guys put in these trades, okay? And yeah, that's going to be the end of this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. Kind of a long one today, I believe. How long have I been going on for? 52 minutes. All right. So yeah, you guys really it's not hard to really do this. You guys just have to focus. You guys have to learn. You guys have to read. And you guys do not need to be smart. Like, you guys could be not smart at all. And if you guys focus, if you guys work hard, you guys could change your life, okay? Through crypto. There's patterns, there's trends. It's all about how much time are you willing to put into it? How hard are you going to work? And are you going to work on stuff that you don't enjoy doing? If you do not like reading, are you going to read the stuff that's going to make you better at reading charts, that's better at predicting what's happened in the past? If you guys do that, you guys will be very successful. I promise, okay? Make sure to like the video, smash that like button, and hit that subscribe button as well. All right, I'll go through a few more. We'll go over through ERSDL. Sorry. We see the buyback with ERSDL. We see the buyback. Yeah, it sucks sometimes, guys. When you guys are buying the highs, you get burnt sometimes, right? You guys learn that the hard way if you guys bought the highs. I mean, with ERSDL, this is a long-term hold. This will be $5 to $10 within the next year or so. And you guys have to understand that ERSDL is a one-of-a-kind DeFi company. No one's going to be able to really match up to them. They're, I would say, 8 to 12 months ahead of any other company that's trying to do what they're doing. All right. So just take that into consideration. Imagine having an 8 to 12 month advantage. That's what we're seeing with ERSDL, and that's what we're seeing with Ethereum. More than Ethereum. Yeah, you guys should probably be taking your profits. I mean, if you guys want to hold them long term, just throw your money into it. Don't look at it, and just keep it in there. It'll be worth a lot more and a year from now. I mean, that's what long term holding is. And guys, look at almost at 4K ETH. Celebration time. All right. We just did GRT. I've done the GRT. Can one of you guys put in timestamps? If you guys could post timestamps in the comments, that'd be greatly appreciated. My editor did not do any this time. So I'm going to be doing timestamps in my stream. So if you guys want to watch them back, cover everything that I went over, you can. And I'm going to be ending the stream there. Have a great day, guys. Make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to shill me to your friends. You guys got to be like, you guys want to learn crypto? Watch this guy. He'll teach you a lot. I'm going to start doing more tutorials as well. I really want to teach you guys, okay? There's a big learning curve in crypto, but all it is there's not a good platform online to learn from. You guys go to BitBoy, you guys get liquidated on Market Cypher, you guys go to whoever. They're just throwing these things that aren't like, you guys got to learn from somewhere. I want to make the beginning tutorial where it's like, if you don't know anything about crypto, you watch this and then we get into more advanced stuff. That's why I've been waiting to do these advanced technical analysis videos. I feel like we're a little bit ready at the same time, but I probably should have waited a little bit, but it's okay. We're gonna start getting more advanced in crypto because there's a lot of ways to make money in crypto, and I'm gonna teach you guys that. Hopefully we can get through that over the next month. I've been working on YouTube probably like 2 hours a day. Around 2 hours a day or less. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to be working a lot for you guys. So make sure to smash that like button.